Hello! Today we are going to cook a meat pie. For this, you will need 800 grams of minced meat, 1 onion, 15 centiliters of tomato coulis, 20 centiliters of beef broth, 2 discs of shortcrust pastry, 1 tablespoon of flour, 1 clove of garlic, 1 egg, some olive oil, oregano, thyme and other seasonings, and finally salt and pepper.
Cut the onion and the garlic.
Cook onion and garlic.
Add your minced meat to the pan.
Add the tomato coulis.
Add the beef broth.
Add salt and pepper. Season the mixture to your taste with sweet pepper or thyme, for example.
Put the first shortcrust pastry in a dish. Prick the pastry with a fork. When the mixture is ready, let it cool down. Then add the mixture to the dish.
Place the second pastry on top.
Sear the sides.
Make a chimney in the middle of the pastry.
Brown the pastry with egg.
Bake for 30 minutes at 180 degrees.
There is a delicious meat pie. Yummy, yummy!